Hi guys. All right, we're going to talk about money. So this is something that we've been talking about. And so let's start with our penny. So penny is worth 1 cent. This is what the front looks like and the back looks like. And so if we were to count it like using touch points, it is usually underlined and then we just say 1. So we just count on. So we just say 1. That's it. Okay. Let's move on to our nickel. Nickel is, let's see if I can make this bigger. There we go. All right, so nickel over here in the brown, it is worth 5 cents. So when we count it, we usually have a dot on it, like right here, and we say, so we'll just count by fives. So this is 1. So if I were to count these two, I would say 5, 10. And that is worth 5 cents. So 1 is worth 5 cents. Okay, let's go on to dime. So to draw the touch points on those, which a lot of the stuff, all right, so here is the touch points for the dimes. And we have 2 because we just used the skip count to 5s. So we would say 5, 10. So each of these are worth 10 cents. 5, 10. All right, I hope that helps, guys, because we're going to do a little bit of this together. I know you have a couple worksheets to do today, so we are going to do it together. Okay, let's see the next one. Oh, we already went that way. Maybe. There we go. There's quarter. All right, quarter is a little bit more tricky. We're still only going to skip count by 5s. So let me show you how to do that. So it has 5 touch points on it. So when we are counting quarters, we are going to say 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. So this is the front of a quarter. This is the back of the quarter. Okay, let's get those worksheets out. And we are going to move ahead with those. You'll need your scissors and you will need your glue. And we are going to do this together. So if you need help, you just pause and work on it and then, resume the video. Okay, so let's start with the first one. So this is a quarter, so I'm going to draw the touch points on for you. These are kind of crazy looking. All right, so we are just going to count together. Are you ready? So we have 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 31. So now we're going to look down here and see which one says a 3 and a 1, which makes 31 cents. We are going to cut that out. So it's this one right here. Oh, we are going to cut that out and we are going to glue it in this box right here. So this is where you can pause and then you can do it. And then I'm just going to keep moving on because if I waited, the video would be really long. All right, let's do these circles. I think those are easier. So for this, I'm going to go ahead and draw my touch points on for you guys. And look at these. These are all dimes. Oh, we have 1 penny at the end. Okay, and that's where we just put the line under it because we just count on. All right, so let's go ahead and count together. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, and then we count on 41. So do we see 41 down here, a 4 and a 1? So go ahead and cut this one out. That's right. And then you're going to glue it right here in this box. Good job, guys. Okay. Let's move on to the next one. Again, pause if you need. I'm going to go ahead and draw these touch points on. And I would already have them drawn on for you, but then it erases when I stop the video. So, okay. All right, so it looks like here we have a dime, 2 nickels, and 2 pennies. So let's go ahead and count. So we have 5, 10, 15, 20, then we count on 21, 22. So what's left down here? We have this one left and this one left. Do we have a 22 down here that we can put in this box right here? We do, don't we? This one says 22. Good job, guys. You guys are working really hard. Okay, let's move on to number 4. And again, I will draw the touch points on while you guys are working or cutting or just watching. Okay, so it looks like here, we have 2 quarters and then some pennies. All right, so let's take a look. And we will say 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 51, 52, 53. And you should have one left over, which looks like this, which is a 5 and a 3. And then we're going to go ahead and glue it on right here. Good job, guys. All right, I'm going to move to the next page. So finish up that page. And we are going to go to the next one. And the next one, I think, is, yep, okay. So let's go ahead and do this. I will draw the touch points on again. So in this one, we have 2 quarters, 2 dimes, and 1 penny. All right. Okay, here we go. All right, let's go ahead and count. Remember, we're going to skip count by 5s, and then when we do the penny, we just add on. So here's 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 71. So a 7 and a 1. Do we see 71 down here? We do, don't we? All right, let's see. Right here on the edge. All right, so now this is your turn to cut it out. Get that glue out and go ahead and stick it in that box. Okay. Let's move on to number 2. And it looks like we have 3 dimes and 3 pennies. So remember, we're going to count by 5s, and then we're going to count on with the 1s, or with the pennies, I guess. Okay, so let's see. We have 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 31, 32, 33. Do we see a 33 down here? A 3 and a 3? We do. It is right here. Good job, guys. All right, let's get started on the next one. So number 3 looks like it has a quarter, 3 nickels, and a penny. I sure do like those pennies, huh? All right, let's see. All right, let's go ahead and count. Ready? 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 41. Do we see a 4 and a 1 down here? Yep, right here, guys. Good job. All right, let's go to the next one. And in that one, looks like it has a quarter, a dime, a nickel, and 2 pennies. Whew. All right, so let's, oh, that touch point's a little large, huh? All right, let's do this. All right, let me finish drawing all these on, and then we will count them together. All right, so we have 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 41, 42. So you should have one left, and it's this one. And we're going to cut and put it right there. Cut and paste it and put it right there. Good job, guys. All right, that's all I have for you. Enjoy your math. Bye.